Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel Data Science Genius. My name is Ikra and I am delighted to be here with you today. Very important topic discuss. So we are going to explore an important topic, what is variable in Python. Let's get started. Variable in Python are used to store information that can be referenced and manipulated. They are created by assigning a value to name using the assignment operator. In Python, variable is a name that refers to a value. Variables fundamental programming language, as they are used to store information that can be referenced and manipulated throughout a program. They act as container of data values. And then the variables in Python. We're using int and value in Python data type. Different data type in Python name list. Int, float, boolean, string, character variables of Python data type. Integer is a whole number without a decimal point, and float number with a decimal point. String sequence of character boolean represent true or false. An example: age is equal to 25, name is equal to 8, height is equal to 5.7. This is all the integer variables, string variables, and float variables and character variables. Double quotes in print name is called character values. And n is equal to gives any number. What are the variables? X is equal to 100. Then assign the number of x is the 100 is a number, x is a variable, and 100 give the x value is called a variable form. Python variable reserved memory location to store value. In other words, a variable in a Python program give data to the computer for processing. Every value in Python has a data type. Different data type in Python number list. The variable can be declared by any name or even alphabet like A, B, C. And then use x is a variable alphabet. Create a variable x is equal to 9 is an example of the variable x is assign a value 9 using the assignment operator is equal to greater than less than is all the assignment operator, and then x is a number, x is a value, and number 9 is assigned the variables. And then variables in Python C programming or Python programming difference. Variables, I say that Python programming language is very simple to use and declare and assign the values. Not a semicolon used, not any print declare, pre-declare. No, in the case variable of type int C programming, int x is equal to 9 and semicolon, and then Python variables code just a variables and print a, then output to give code a, b, list 100 to array 1, 2, 3 is assigned the print a, print b, print 3, then give output 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. A Python variables is used very easy in the Python language. How to declare and use a variables? Let's see an example. We will declare variables a and print it. A is equal to 100, print am, and redeclare a variable. You can redeclare the variables even after you have a declare it. Once a is equal to 100, print a, and is equal to any number of name, print a, and delete a variable. You can also delete variables using the command del variable name. The below table display the list of variable assigning operator in Python language. And then variable naming rules in Python. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with the number 9, 10, 20. This number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscore A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore variable name are case sensitive age. Or there are different types of. And then next to assignment operator. Show in the screen assignment operator is equal to plus is equal to minus is equal to multiply is equal to backspace is equal to double backspace modulus of multiply greater than less than is all the assignment operator and value in the assigned to x. This is same as x is equal to x plus 25. This is an all example of assignment operator and then this is identified to x is equal to x multiplied 25 and this is same as example age is equal to 25. Age is a variable and 25 is a value and is equal to is assignment operator. And then this is age is equal to 25 variables assignment operator and then values value give the age and all of the same as x is equal to x is equal to 25. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more informative content on data science. Until next time, take care.